Without self-confidence, life becomes like a boat drifting endlessly with no direction or purpose. No matter how intelligent or talented we are, if fear controls our actions, we'll never reach our true potential. Many people spend their entire lives afraid to speak, afraid to fail, and afraid to be seen. But the truth is, confidence isn't something we're born with. It's something we build. And today's story is about a young man who learned this truth the hard way. In a crowded city lived a salt merchant named Mr. Raymond. He ran a small business to support his wife and two sons. The older son, Adam, was quiet and shy. The younger one, Leo, was confident, cheerful, and outgoing. While Leo made friends easily, Adam hesitated to talk to anyone. People in town thought Adam was foolish or strange because of his silence. Some even took advantage of his kindness. But Adam never complained. Mr. Raymond often scolded his elder son harshly. "Why can't you be more like your brother? You'll never survive like this." Those words crushed Adam's spirit and broke his self-confidence further. As time passed, his fear grew. Even during exams, he couldn't write properly because his hands trembled. Slowly, his grades dropped, and his hope faded. When he became a young man, his father asked him to help with the salt shop. Adam agreed, but his nervousness made him clumsy. He spoke quietly, struggled with customers, and often made mistakes. One day, while Mr. Raymond was away, two dishonest traders came to the shop and said, "Your father sent us to collect the salt sacks for delivery." Afraid to question them, Adam handed everything over. When his father returned, the shop was empty. Mr. Raymond shouted in anger, "You useless boy! You've ruined everything I built. Get out of my sight." Those words pierced Adam's heart. Ashamed and broken, he wandered to the riverbank that night, thinking his life was meaningless. "I'm a failure," he whispered. "I can't do anything right. What's the point of living?" Just as he was about to jump, an old man appeared and pulled him back. "My son," the old man said softly, "life is a gift. You can overcome failure, but not if you give up now." Through tears, Adam said, "I'm shy and useless. My own father hates me. I don't even deserve to live." The old man looked at him seriously and said, "Come with me. I'll show you how to find strength, but you must follow what I say for 3 days." Adam nodded. On the first day, the old man said, "Go outside and talk to 10 strangers. Ask about their lives and write down what they tell you." Adam hesitated, but did it anyway. At first, people ignored him, but he kept trying. By evening, he had spoken to 10 people and even made a few new friends. That night, for the first time, he smiled. On the second day, the old man gave him another task. Teach 10 children why water is important. Adam panicked. "But I never studied properly. I can't teach them." The old man replied, "They don't know that. Just share what you do know." Nervously, Adam stood before the children, holding a glass of water. He explained 5 simple reasons why water is essential. To his surprise, the children listened and clapped. Something changed inside him. His fear began to fade. On the third day, the old man said, "Now go back to your father. Apologize and promise to prove yourself." Terrified, Adam said, "He'll never forgive me." The old man smiled. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's moving forward despite fear. Gathering his strength, Adam returned home. He bowed his head before his father and said, "I'm sorry for everything, Father. Please give me one more chance." Seeing his son's sincerity, Mr. Raymond forgave him. He let him return to the shop. The next day, Adam ran to the old man and said, "Please, tell me what's the real secret to success?" The old man smiled and replied, "You've already learned it. Your enemy was never shyness, it was fear. People see you the way you present yourself. When you believe in yourself, the world believes in you too." Tears filled Adam's eyes. He finally understood. Years later, the one shy boy became a respected businessman, admired for both his skills and confidence. Confidence isn't inherited, it's built step by step. No matter how shy you are, self-belief can transform your life. Fear and doubt hold us back, but courage and persistence open doors we never knew existed. Take small steps forward. Each one will make you stronger than you were yesterday. If this story inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe. For more meaningful stories about courage, personal growth, and confidence,